Hi, lovely loves. How are you doing today? I'm so happy to have you here today. You guys are so awesome. You make my world very beautiful. Anyways, if you are new, my name is Akech Jewini. I'm so thrilled to have you. And in today's video, let's get to the point. I'll be sharing with you guys the cooking life in an African village, our organic village life, our traditional kitchen. Generally, I'm going to share with you guys an afternoon in life in an African village. So today for lunch, we'll be having sweet potatoes that you saw me washing earlier. And I came to cut some banana leaves that we'll be using to cover the sweet potatoes. So normally the season we are in dictates what kind of food we will be eating. So it's sweet potato season, meaning every other day of the week we get to eat sweet potatoes. And I love sweet potatoes. Who doesn't love sweet potatoes? And that's a lot of sweet potatoes, reason being we are a big family of 10. Most African families, especially in the villages, are extended. So you have cousins, you have people, a lot of people to cook for, which is amazing. And also, since we have little kids, they have something to snack on until the next day, right? Yummy, yummy, yummy. So before you use the banana leaves to cover your food, and if you want to do it gracefully, you need to peel off the banana stalk so that the banana leaf is very smooth and soft and can move accordingly to the directions you take it as you cover your sweet potatoes. So I already put some water in the sweet potatoes, and now it's time to cover the sweet potatoes. Bananas are very versatile in my village. We use it for so many different things. We use it as a crown, a head crown, when you're carrying weights on your head, and it protects your hair and your head. Banana leaves are just so versatile. They do so many things. We cannot live without banana leaves. So it's very important to like tightly cover the sweet potatoes with these banana leaves, because if you leave a passage for steam, what will happen is the sweet potatoes at the bottom are gonna get ready and the ones on top will be half cooked. Okay, half cooked sweet potatoes are okay for some people, but for my family, oh my god, they'll be like, oh, ever since she went to America she no longer knows how to cook sweet potatoes. Anyways, after I had covered up my sweet potatoes with the banana leaves, I had to put a saucepan over to just give it an extra support. Yeah, I personally call this the three firestone. If anyone knows what they call it, let me know. So I came to light our traditional way of cooking, and most people in the village use the three firestone to cook. And these stones are very strong stones. They can support so many heavy weights. And I just find it very effective when it's cooking, and especially if you're going to cook big loads like these ones. I wonder how slow or effective or how fast it would be cooking this same amount of food using a gas cooker. I love how organically we try to live in my village, and I know most villages around the world in different continents, they really live sustainably, of course, compared to the city. So this is how we live. And sometimes, as you grow up, you kind of look at this lifestyle of living and you're like, you know what? I can't wait to leave this village and go to the city so that I can use Escalade, so that I can use gas cookers, so that I can use da 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 da. But then we forget that this lifestyle actually saves us so much more, and it's slow paced but very peaceful, and it serves the planet, which is very amazing. And organic living, if you have the capacity to live organically, even in your simplest way possible, I really advise you to put it into practice. So it was time to go harvest the vegetables I'll be cooking with the sweet potatoes. And I've shared this before. These greens here are called black-eyed peas greens. You guys know black-eyed peas, right? In my mother tongue, we call it ngori. So this vegetable is our staple food amongst my people, the Jopadola people. And most households, I should say 90% of households in the villages grow these vegetables all year long. It's the go-to when you don't know what to cook. I'm going to cook bo. We're going to cook bo. So the black-eyed peas are called ngor. Then these greens, the leaves from the black-eyed peas, we call it bo. Bo is so yummy. So this is how you harvest the bo. On this particular day, I called my brother to help me out because two hands are better than one, definitely. And he's very fast when it comes to harvesting bo. I even don't know how he does it, but if he's making 3 handfuls, I'm still at one. I'm a very slow but sure person in the things that I do, which sometimes is annoying in such circumstances, but I'm glad he was here to help me. Thank you so much, Derek. Anyways, most of the work in the village is very communal. When you're going to cook, you cook together. When you're going to wash clothes, you wash together. When you're going to fetch water, you go together. I remember there's a time at home whereby my mom was complaining that, what's wrong with you guys? Everything you're doing, you want to do two people, two people. Can't you do something by yourself? Let's say if my brother is going to harvest some things in the farm and he's like, hey, Nathan, come go with me. Or Nathan is going to wash clothes and he says, hey, Joy, I also going to wash. Come, let's wash together. So, and she forgets that it's her. She's the one who taught us this. Like, doing things communally is very good because it just promotes togetherness in the simplest way possible. So, we're doing communal cooking. Nathan was trying to pound the groundnuts. I was cleaning up the vegetables I just harvested, and Derek was helping me too. So after I had cleaned the kitchen, I put the bowl on fire while the sweet potatoes were on the outside fire. So this is the indoor fire, still the 3 Firestone organic cooking. Huh? Beautiful African village. A day in life in an African village. I love it. I really love my village, guys. Forgive the excitement. But anyways, so after I had put the pasted nuts, the vegetables got ready, and this is my mom serving. And boom, it's time to try the food. We made it from scratch. Anyways, so the sweet potatoes were yum. The bob pasted with peanuts was yum. It was very delicious, and I hope you enjoyed this video of an African village lifestyle of cooking. I hope you enjoyed an afternoon in this beautiful African village. I hope you learned how to make sweet potatoes and how to make pasted bob. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Please drop me a subscribe, drop me a comment. How else will I know you came by? Huh? How would I know? And also help boost the algorithm by liking this video and sharing to your friends. I love you guys so much. Bye. Oh my God, pardon my manners. Welcome to Eat With Me. I forgot to welcome you to eat. I'm so sorry. Anyways, guys, love you and I appreciate your support. See you guys soon in the next video. Don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you are notified when I post a video. And all these mangoes are for us. They are for us, okay? Make sure you harvest some before you go. Love you. Bye-bye.